Can I tell you a secret? Okay, but only if you promise to keep it between us, alright? Did you know that there's a free mobile app which can be downloaded on any iOS and Android device that will give you $600 in cash? And since I'm feeling generous today, I'm also going to let you know how to earn effortlessly just by installing some apps on your phone. What's the catch? Well, these apps that I'm going to reveal today are a little different from the usual beer money apps that you hear these days. You won't be asked to participate in surveys, watch tons of videos, or play games. You will practically do nothing. Nothing at all. Sounds too good to be true? Watch closely till the end, and I'll let you decide that for yourself. I understand that the world of beer money gets a lot of flack because for every reliable money making site and app you find, there's probably a dozen that waste your time. So today, we're going to talk about apps that you don't need to spend any amount of time at all. Now, before we all go earning money like a boss, I'd like to welcome you first to the OMG channel. This is your online money girl, and as always, I teach people all over the world the newest ways to earn money online regardless of their background and expertise. I also love giving out tips and tricks on how to maximize your online earning potential, so make sure to stay with me until the end of the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments which part of the video you find most helpful so other people can benefit from them as well. Now, what do you think is the most important thing that you need if you want to earn money online? I'd assume you already have a laptop or a smartphone and a good internet connection. After you get these basics covered, you absolutely need to have a PayPal account. This is where your earnings will be sent. It's basically an online wallet, and you can send and receive in any currency you prefer. Setting up an account is pretty straightforward. Just go to paypal.com, hit sign up, select personal account, and fill out the rest of the fields. PayPal will ask mainly for two things: your mobile number and email address. Later on, you will be asked for a government ID to help them identify you as a real, legit person and not a dummy. PayPal is also available for download on mobile devices. Anyway, if you don't want to go through that, you can always open an online bank account. With the help of Mr. Google, you can search for available online banks in your country. Signing up for an online account is always free and you do not have to visit any physical branch. Now, listen up, Android users! The first app that I'm talking about is Money SMS app. It's a free Android app that lets you earn money for receiving SMS to your smartphone. Isn't that cool? I mean, who pays you for receiving text messages? This system is to help test SMS delivery capabilities for communication companies. In a nutshell, paid SMS companies need to test network performance in different parts of the world. To accomplish this, they need to send real text messages to various devices. A lot of telecom SMS providers and mobile network operators need to send text messages to foreign countries to verify and ensure proper delivery of their SMS routes. You actually get paid because they use your mobile number to provide such testing services. Once you've downloaded the app, you will be required to register your mobile number. It's important to pick the correct country code or Money SMS won't be able to send texts to your phone. Once you successfully register your phone number, Money SMS will periodically send messages to you since you're part of the network. They only send random jumble of letters, links, and numbers. You don't have to reply or even read anything Money SMS sends you since this whole platform is just for testing cellular networks. In fact, Money SMS asks that you don't reply. Aside from receiving text messages, you can also score some extra cash by inviting your friends. If you refer new users to the platform, you get a 30% bonus of whatever your referrals end up redeeming on Money SMS. This percentage doesn't come out of their total balance, so it's extra money. One important thing to note is if you're concerned about data privacy, Money SMS assures that they do not forward any information about private messages anywhere. The app only sends the messages to their server, which begins with a unique test ID that only their system creates. On a quick note, if you're getting value from this video and you're not already subscribed, please give us a thumbs up before you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell icon. Now, on to the second app. It has a very interesting name. It's called Cash Magnet. This Android app will allow you to earn extra income while you are not using your phone. Isn't that wonderful? If you would like to check them out first before installing the app, you may visit their website at cashmagnetapp.com. As of the moment, Cash Magnet is only available for Android phones with 4.2 version and later. It can be downloaded and installed for free and will always be. To run smoothly, Cash Magnet actually recommends having at least Android 4.4 and higher. They also recommend having at least 1 gigabyte of RAM and 8 gigabytes of storage. The cool thing about this app is that it runs when you are not using your phone, so you can basically earn by literally doing nothing. You can run the program when you're about to sleep or when doing something else that won't require the use of your smartphone. The program will consume a certain amount of traffic, so it's desirable to have an active Wi-Fi connection. Accumulation of points takes place every 5 minutes, so the longer your program will work on your phone, the more money you will receive. And check this out, the minimum payment is only $1, and you can redeem your points at any time for cash via PayPal. Or you can also choose Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, PlayStation, stream gift cards, or replenish a mobile phone account by going to the rewards page. They also have a nifty 2-level referral system wherein you receive 5% of the earnings for the person you invited and 5% of the earnings for the person whom your referral invited. Now, quick bonus tip. If you're not comfortable or you just don't prefer installing random apps on your phone, you can use another device, like an old phone, and just leave it out there to generate passive income for you. It's actually a better option since the program works when you're not actively using the phone. You can also run it on up to 4 devices at the same time. Now, that's making money while you sleep. Next, I'm going to ask you a seemingly off-topic question. How much time do you spend listening to music? 2, maybe 3 hours a day? Perhaps even more? Well, if you're already thrilled with the first 2 apps that I've shared, this third app will do so much more than that, especially if you like music. This app is friendly to both iOS and Android devices. It's called Current, with a C that looks like the symbol for cents. Current Rewards enables people to earn additional passive income via their daily habits. One is by listening to music. Everyone who signs up can play curated radio stations in Current and earn in-app points. With every tap of the play button, you can earn points. The speed at which you earn is based on how much of your profile has been completed and how long you are consuming. A lot of their users play frequently and share preferences generously, and they get rewarded for their contributions. During the media playback, you'll encounter several opportunities to generate points, and the Current team is constantly adding more ways to earn, so you might want to look out for that. Current has a variety of rewards to offer. Number 1 is through your PayPal account. Of course, who doesn't want cold cash? But aside from that, rewards can also be redeemed for gift cards. Current Music Screen offers a range of gift card options such as Uber, Google Play, Amazon, Adidas, Walmart, and Target. Just select the reward you want, follow the steps to cash out, and you'll get an email confirmation. You don't even have to wait for a physical card. Instead, you get a gift card code. So convenient. You should definitely give this app a try if you love listening to music. It's something you're already doing anyway, so you may as well get paid for it, right? If you have used this app, tell us about your experience in the comments section below. Also, feel free to share your favorite apps for making money. And And lastly, if you enjoyed this video or found it informative, please smack the thumbs up button, hit subscribe, and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you'll stay updated with the latest trends and tricks on how to earn online. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I appreciate your time. As always, this is OMG saying BYE. See you in the next money making video.